Welcome to the tutorial session on avoiding obstacles, single and multiple obstacles with AeroGCS GREEN. To get started, click on the home icon to create a project with a plot. Click Start here to proceed with plotting. Select Field Plot to proceed mapping the field. As per specific requirement of the application, you can select an appropriate option from RC, mobile, drone or map to plot the field. Once you have selected the appropriate option, proceed by adding points to the plot using the Add Point option. Navigate the map to mark the points. To save the mapped plot, select Save and enter the project and plot name. AeroGCS GREEN allows marking obstacles within a plotted field to avoid spraying in sensitive areas such as wells, water reservoirs, neighboring areas and other environmentally sensitive areas. To add the obstacle points in the current plot, click on the obstacle button located on the lower right corner of your screen. Select obstacle type polyline, that is, polygon or circle to mark the obstacles. Mark the obstacle plan by adding points to the plot, which will be defined by a red color polyline on the plotted field. Click on Save to save the marked obstacle. Users can mark multiple obstacles on the field. Simply proceed by adding points to define the obstacle. Click on Save to save the marked obstacle. Click on Create Plan to proceed with the spraying mission. You can adjust the obstacle boundaries. Simply click on edge points of marked obstacle polylines. You can use these arrows displayed on the left side of your screen to adjust your waypoints. Click Save to save the marked obstacle plan. Thank you for watching AeroGCS GREEN tutorial video.